Hey there, graduate students! Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of human fertilization. It's a complex process, but I'm here to break it down step by step. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about sperm release. This happens during ejaculation, where millions of sperm cells are released from the male's testes. These sperm cells travel through the vas deferens, mix with seminal fluid from the seminal vesicles and prostate gland, and are finally ejected through the urethra. It's quite a journey already, but the adventure has just begun. Now let's move to the female reproductive system. The sperm's destination is the fallopian tube, where fertilization usually occurs. But first, the sperm has to navigate through the cervix and uterus to reach the fallopian tube. This is no easy feat, considering the acidic environment of the vagina and the cervical mucus that can be a barrier. Only the strongest sperm make it through. Once in the fallopian tube, the sperm meets the ovum or egg cell. The ovum is surrounded by two protective layers, the corona radiata and the zona pellucida. The sperm must penetrate these layers to fertilize the egg. This is where the acrosome reaction comes into play. The acrosome, a cap-like structure on the head of the sperm, releases enzymes that help the sperm break through the zona pellucida. It's like nature's version of a battering ram. Finally, one lucky sperm makes it through and merges with the egg's plasma membrane. This triggers the cortical reaction, which prevents any other sperm from entering the egg. The egg and sperm nuclei then fuse, combining their genetic material to form a zygote. This marks the beginning of a new life. The zygote starts its journey down the fallopian tube towards the uterus. Along the way, it undergoes several rounds of cell division, transforming into a blastocyst. When it reaches the uterus, the blastocyst implants itself into the uterine wall. This is where it will develop into an embryo and eventually a fetus. The process from fertilization to implantation takes about a week, but the development continues for the next 9 months. The embryo goes through various stages, gradually forming all the structures and organs of a human body. By the end of the first trimester, it's called a fetus and has a recognizable human form. So there you have it, a detailed guide to how fertilization happens in humans. From the release of sperm to the formation of a fetus, it's a remarkable journey that marks the beginning of life. I hope this breakdown helps you understand the intricacies of this amazing process. Thanks for